bro, you suck. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. What? Yeah. His lyrics to me, I don't think they're good. I don't like it.
I be calling my spirits. I put my hero on rocks. I put my Moscato on rock. One front, one say up. Shoot at an OB, shoot at a car.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. As y'all can see, I'm a little sick. You got your boy sick, Idris Module back. But you feel me? Just cause I'm sick, that doesn't mean we gonna be relentless on these bangers. We gonna keep dropping these bangers, no matter how sick I am. I know some of y'all can hear it in my voice. Make sure you leave a like. 1 like equals 1 prayer for me. Make sure y'all pray for me that I get better, cause this cold is really holding me. You feel me? But like I said, that's not gonna stop me from making these bangers. So let me not talk too much. I know what y'all came for. Y'all want to see the YouTube rapper tier list, so I'm gonna break it down for you guys right now. So what we're gonna be getting into in this video is we're gonna be rating the YouTube rappers from S to F. S being like top of the top, like you actually consider them real artists, and F being, you feel me, F being like, bro, so I have a list and I'm gonna show y'all my list right now. Stay tuned for this video, man, because this is about to be a banger. Alright, so as y'all can see for my YouTube rapper tier list, we got 14 people. So we got Ricegum for number 1. Number 2 we got B-Lou. Number 3 we got Young Chizzy Chark. 4 DDG. Number 5 we got the Dish Rapper. Number 6 we got Flight Reacts. You ain't nothing but a broke boy. Numbers, was that 6, 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7 we got Dax. Now let me just say this, I don't consider Dax a YouTube rapper, but that's what I just been seeing, so I just decided to include it. Number 8 we got Quadeca. Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce his name, Quadeca. Number 9 we got I'm Dante. Number 10 we got Jake Paul. Number 11 we got KSI. Number 12 we got my man's Ty the Guy. Number 13 Wolfie Raps. And number 14 Zeus. Now I know Zeus isn't really into music like that. I mean, he doesn't like rap himself, like he doesn't put out professional music or anything, but I'm just gonna be going off like his freestyle ability, because you know in the beginning of Zeus they always like have these quick little freestyles, so I'm gonna just be going off that, you feel me? So without further ado, man, let's start and let's get to the rating. So we're gonna start from F and build all the way to S. So I don't know who's gonna come in F yet, but I hope it's not too many people. When I'm thinking of F, I'm thinking the absolute worst of the worst. Out of all these people, I would have to say, who goes in the F category? Before I even put it, comment in the comment section right now who you think deserves to go in the F category. But for F category, guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I gotta pick Jake Paul. I'm not a fan of his music at all. I'll show y'all a clip.
Got sauce, I got swagger, I got whips, I got it.
For attention, talking shit on Twitter too, but you still hit my phone last night. It was 4:52 and I got the text approved and all the recordings too.
I don't like it. The E category, who we got? E category. So when E, I'm thinking the person is not really good, like at all, but they're not too terrible. Honestly, I don't think anyone is gonna be on the E level. I don't think anyone is gonna be on the E level, so we can skip that. The D level, now this is not too bad, but it's slightly below average. So for D, I think I'm gonna go with, damn, I forgot to put someone in this video, KSI brother named Deji. I think he deserves to go in D. He's not too bad of a rapper, you feel me? But I just don't feel like he's up there, you feel me? Like, I just don't think Deji is up there like that. So that's why I gotta give him the D.
Hold up, turn the beat off.
That's why I gotta give him the D.
I gotta give him the D.
Hey, whoa.
Oh, homo.
Nigga, you gay.
In the C category, I already know who I want to put in this. I have to say my guy Flight Reacts. He has to go and see. Flight, his lyrics to me, I don't think they're good. A couple of things I really like about Flight music is, one, he's like, he knows how to, his songs have a good vibe to it, like, what? Yeah. I mean, the lyrics is like, I don't want to say trash, but the lyrics is not good to me. But like, just that energy and the flow he came in with it automatically raises him from like a F level to a C level. I don't mess with his lyrics at all. But the execution, the production, the vibe of the song, that just improves it. Like, that just makes it 10 times better than what it originally would have been. Next person we have for C is definitely, I would have to say Young Chizzy Chark, man. I'll have to say Black Charcoal. I think he deserves to go and see. He's not a bad rapper. He's not bad by any means, but I feel like his production and execution could be way better. Like, I feel like he doesn't take it serious enough for him to be on the A or even B level as of now. I think the last person that should go on C level is Ty the Guy, man. Ty the Guy. I really like his flow. Like, I OD like his flow, but like, he's just like Chark. Like, I don't feel like he's fully invested yet. They literally like just started like probably a couple of months ago, like really trying to rap. So I feel like as they get better, they get more experience, as their production gets better and stuff like that, you feel me? Like, they can move up the ranks. But for now, Ty, I think you at a C right now. I think the first person that I should put for the B level is Wolfie. Like I just said, Wolfie's he's a good rapper. He sounds good. But I feel like I heard 2 songs. The first song I really messed with. The second song, it was okay, but I feel like he could still get way better. But like I said, I don't listen to him, so I'm only judging off what I heard. The only like couple of seconds, probably minutes, I heard of his music.
Box with fists, I box with lips and uppercut the opponent with the words. I've been a nigga sick, I'm really sick. I cough up phlegm and spit it up in tissue, been you niggas.
Alright, so after listening to I'm Dante, I decided where he belongs. At least in my opinion. I think I'm mistaken with the B level. I'm Dante, he's very good, but for the simple fact, like, I didn't see a lot of tracks by him, so for that simple fact, I feel like he don't really take it that serious, but he definitely does have rapping talent, you feel me? It's B-Lou. I think B-Lou deserves a B. Now B-Lou, I mess with his music, I do listen to his music, and I like B-Lou energy. He's a very hyped, energetic person, but I don't know, I just don't see him like on that level yet. But he's good, he's talented, you feel me? But I feel like there's more like he could be better at. But he's dropping a new album, so hopefully after his album drop, my perception of him changes and his rank goes high. A and S are the hardest levels to me because it's really separating like who's a YouTube rapper and who's a rapper, you feel me? So first person that I see on the A level definitely is Ricegum, and I'm gonna let y'all know why. This man track, I think it went either gold or platinum, and he's a YouTube artist. For that simple fact, you feel me, you gotta give him his credit. His music is pretty cool, to be honest. Like the bars in his music is, I mess with the bars in his music.
Serious, hey, didn't see him like George, I'm just curious. Hey, listen.
Next up for A level, we got the dish rapper, and pretty similar reasons to Ricegum. He don't really take music that serious, at least I think anymore. But in his prime, like 2017, when he was doing diss tracks and stuff, he was like one of the hardest on YouTube to me in terms of like going bar for bar, just spitting lyrics, you feel me? He was one of the hardest on YouTube at that time for me, so that's why I think he deserves an A. Yeah, like there's really nothing else to say. I think he deserves an A level. So next up for A level, we got KSI. KSI, his music videos are, he put 100, 200, 1,000% effort into his music videos. His music videos are like over professionally shot. A couple of defaults about him is I don't really mess with his music like that. I kind of mess with it, but not really. So like he's not really like a superstar status to me, but he's someone that I think is really, really good, but just not on that S level yet, you feel me? Then another person we have on the A level is my boy Zeus. Now Zeus, I'll say this right now, and I'm like 90% confident in this. If Zeus took rapping serious, he would be #1 rapper on YouTube. His freestyles alone are fire, bruh.
You know you gonna kiss her. You know you gonna kiss her. If she act up, I dismiss her. Got a lot of money, fell in love with the banks. I ain't talking about Alyssa, Violet. I fuck her and bust on her eyelid. I'm not a human, I'm a hybrid. Yeah! Fuck your bitch, nigga, I did.
His freestyles alone are fire, but he's not even a musician, you feel me? Like, all these people put effort into rapping. He literally just do this on the weekends when he makes videos. So just for that fact alone, just because he does not give a F about making music, that's why he's on the A level. But if he actually put in work, I think he only got like one freestyle out, like official freestyle out, and that freestyle is fire. Like the bars is fire. But if he really worked, and I'll let y'all know this, if he really worked, he would be the hottest rapper on YouTube right now. So the S level, this is the top of the top on YouTube. And the first person I'll give it to, I'll say the person that's like the top person on YouTube as a rapper to me is this guy. I'll say Dax. Like I said in the beginning, Dax is not even a YouTube rapper to me. He's just an artist to me. Alright guys, so we just finished Dax. The next person we got up for this S list, we got, y'all already know, we got Quadeca. Y'all already know, man. Y'all already know the vibes. The reason I chose Quadeca is he's obviously very talented. He reminds me of Eminem. For those of y'all who don't know, Eminem is one of my greatest rappers of all time. Eminem is one of the GOATs. He just reminds me like a similar style to Eminem and Logic. Not only because he's white, but because of like his lyricism. Like you just have like his lyricism, his wordplay, all of that. It's just on point. The delivery is just good. Quadeca is definitely up there with the top rappers on YouTube. He's definitely a S-class rapper for YouTube. The last person we got for S-class, I gotta give it to my boy DDG, man.
It's DDG, I don't know no SKT.
And the reason I give it to him is not only because he drops songs, like he do drop a lot of songs, but the reason I have to give it to him is because he's actually trying, like he's fully invested in being a rapper. He has a lot of music videos, a lot of songs out, and he actually go on like tours. He actually like sell tickets and have shows and stuff like so on like that, you feel me? So he's really invested and he's really committed to being a rapper. But as far as this S list go, I will have to say the top, like the order for like 1, 2, and 3 to me, in my opinion, would be Dax, Quadeca, then DDG. I hope y'all like this vid, man. If you do, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I'm dropping these bangers, man. Make sure you share this video with a friend, man. If you guys have different opinions than what I thought, make sure you put it in the comments. If you think someone didn't deserve to be in the rank that I put them in, make sure you let me know, and we could discuss it on the comments, man. And without further ado, I'll see y'all later.
Como desk got songs to play, switch it up. Bruce Wayne, I got different designers, something different every day. Como desk got songs to play, switch it up. Bruce Wayne, I got different designers, something different every day. Getting green like broccoli, I cop designer while I play, and my plug be finessing, cooking up like Joe. Now y'all wanna be my clones, cause I'm resurrecting, played out shit from the buff, from the bones. Now it's all up in your flesh, no bereft. I got lightning on my chest, add some water, amber and wrist, feeling the